If you want to transfer files from your mobile to your laptop using a USB cable, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you transfer your files, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, connect your mobile phone to your laptop using a USB cable. Now connect the larger USB end to your laptop and connect the smaller end to your mobile phone. After connecting the cable, unlock your mobile phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Now tap on the USB notification and select File Transfer. After that, go to your laptop and open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E. Next, click on this PC from the left side menu. Here, you will find your connected mobile phone. Double-click on your mobile device to open it. Now open the internal storage and find the files or folders you want to transfer. Once you've found your files, right-click on them and select Copy. Next, go to the folder on your laptop where you want to save the files. Right-click inside the folder and select Paste. Wait for the file transfer to finish. Once the transfer is complete, open the folder on your laptop and check your files to make sure they transferred successfully.